Hey guys, Chris from Smile here with another tips video about air conditioners. So today we're talking about noises that air conditioners can make. There's a few different ones. So inside your condensing unit outside, you have two major components that can often make noise. The fan and the compressor themselves. You can sometimes get some noise from the contactor, not as common, but a little buzzing noise from inside the electrical panel is usually the contactor. Uncommon issue though. Mainly we're gonna get noise from the fan or the compressor. Now, the fan is only often making noise either because it's not receiving proper power from the capacitor or the fan itself is breaking down. It's bound to happen sooner or later. It runs a lot most of the year. So if the fan is making noise, it often comes out as like a bit of a grinding and screeching noise. And again, this is something we'll check if your capacitor, sometimes it's just the capacitor that's causing that. If that's the case, good, a lot cheaper of a situation than replacing the fan. But when we come out, we'll check this and see if it's, your fan or your capacitor. Maybe something's just a little stuck and bothering the fan. Now, for the compressor, it can make noise for all kinds of different reasons. Most commonly, what I find is when air conditioners are installed improperly, and it's very tricky as a homeowner to know if your AC was installed improperly. Probably the fact that you have to see me within 1 year of getting it installed from somebody else probably means it wasn't installed properly. But if the whole refrigerant side of the installation was done not the right way, it can cause numerous issues for the compressor. But most of the time they're going to result in at least a little bit of a noise, and that's a good indication there that that's what's going on with your system. Yeah, I think that's it. There's not much for noises. No.